Hi folks, welcome to my channel, the Anti-Inflammatory Diet for gluten-free, dairy-free and tomato-free. Today we are making something totally different. This is a South Indian lasagna. This with South Indian flavors. I've tried this before, but let me do this for you and let me show you how this works. I took a chicken. This was yesterday. We had the oven roasted chicken. I shredded the chicken, the leftover chicken. I have curry leaves over here. I don't know if you go to the Indian store. This is something they have in a packet. It's called curry leaves. It totally changes the taste of your curries. This is a cheese I'm using, mozzarella shreds. You can get this in a grocery store. I have coconut milk over here for the liquid. It adds liquid to the dish. This is the pepper, this is the lemon juice and the salt, the ginger garlic paste. This is the Jufron sauce, if you haven't. This is the banana sauce, which I used in a previous recipe as well. This is made out of bananas and of course sugar, etc. And then we got some spices going over here. This is mustard seeds. This will add good flavor. You will see once I start frying, making the sauce. This is the turmeric. And this is the cumin powder, which is really good too. It'll totally change. This will give the whole Indian flavor to the lasagna. And I got 2 onions over here. This is the gluten-free lasagna, which I got from Target, I believe. But this is really good. I'm sure they have different other types as well. This is the organic brown rice flour and water. And this is what I'm going to be using for my lasagna today. Okay, so these are my spices that I'm going to be using. These are the mustard seeds. This is the turmeric powder, the cumin powder. I also put some coriander powder too because I like the flavor of this. And this is the chili powder, and you know I like to have my spicy. So we're going to go ahead and blend all of this with the oil soon. Okay, I got my pan hot. I'm going to add the oil soon. And got the avocado oil right here. I'm going to add the onions to the, I think once it's hot enough, then you can add the onions to this. And it seems to be hot now. I'll stir this a bit and I'll add some salt because salt makes it brown up faster. So I'm going to add some salt to this. Again, it's put less than a half, or not too much. Just throw it in. And I'll stir this and I'll wait for the onions to brown up. You can hear the onions cooking. You know, I've been so excited to make this recipe. I don't know if anyone else has the same issue as me, but I used to see people eating lasagna all the time. And then I used to wonder, why can't I eat it too? If I make it the way I want to, or the way I can make it and also flavorful, I'm sure I'll be able to enjoy it like them. So this is something this is one of the top recipes that I wanted to do on this channel. Okay, if you can see it, I made a separation of the onions, and in the center I'm going to throw in some mustard seeds. Plate here, mustard seeds are going in. You'll notice the crackle of the mustard seeds with the oil too. Just give it a few minutes and the mustard seeds will pop. Okay, the mustard seeds are starting to pop up. can hear the crackle and the mustard seeds moving too. Okay, I got this pan ready for the oven. To that, I'm going to first oil this with some avocado oil, making sure it doesn't stick. Okay. And I want to grab some sauce first. This is the spicy sauce. This will be very good, I'm sure. I'm going to put this at the base first. Oh my god, it smells so good. It smells so nice. Okay. Then I'll go ahead and put a layer. This is one of these. Put it over here. I'll put some more sauce. I'm gonna add a little more sauce of that too. And I'm gonna add some cheese. Okay, a lot of cheese. And then I'm gonna put some chicken. Just using my hands here real quick. Just make sure I spread the chicken well. I'm gonna add another layer. Pass a layer right here. Put that in here. I'm adding the sauce again. This time I'm making it more chunky, so I'm putting most of the onions on the top here. And this one on this side too. Oh. Making sure it goes on each corner. Okay, I'll add some more cheese. Some more chicken, chicken, because I love chicken. Okay. I'll put some more cheese. Another pasta layer. Some more sauce. The sauce is nearly getting over, so I may have to just put everything on this one. It kind of smells a little bit like Penang curry. Penang, but the spices are making it more strong. I think it's smelling of the Penang curry because of the coconut milk. But this is more South Indian, so I have a bit of the spices in it. Some more chicken. Love the Spanish chicken right now. And some more cheese. This time I show all the cheese is eaten up. So the cheese everywhere. Well, this is not cheese, this is potato starch, but you'll see later that it does have a nice effect. And it melts, it looks so good. Okay, this is my lasagna. And I'm going to cover this before I put this in the oven. Okay, it's time to get the lasagna. I took the lasagna out of the oven and it's smelling good beneath the foil. Time to open it and let's see. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, looks so good. Look at the oils at the edges too from the gravy. It's combined so well. Okay, let's do a taste. Oh, okay, let me see the layers. Ooh, ooh, look at, oh my god. Wait, let me see the side. Oh, yum. Oh my gosh, so tasty. Look at that glistening.